Hey everyone, Justin here. I wanted to update you guys on this syndrome called Ramsay-Hunt syndrome.
Who hasn't vibed to this song when your baby boo broke your heart? In fact, this was the first song Justin Bieber wrote after his first love broke up with him. Hello guys, welcome back. Are you worried about the tickets you booked for Justin's Justice World Tour? Well, I say don't worry about it. You might know what Ramsay-Hunt syndrome is. Too bad we know it, and we know it doesn't cause any serious damage. In case you missed out on Justin's Instagram post and don't know what I'm talking about, no issues, we got you. We are updated and also with all the information you need. Cheers to everyone who does their own research. In the age of information, ignorance is a choice. All you gotta do is hit that bell icon so we deliver right on your phones. So why is Justin canceling his tours? What's he suffering from? Keep watching. Justin Drew Bieber was born on March 1st, 1994 at St. Joseph's Hospital in London, Ontario, Canada, and was raised in Stratford, Ontario. He's the son of Patty Mellette and Jeremy Bieber. He is of French, Canadian, Irish, German, English, and Scottish descent. Wow, that's a lot of races. Growing up, he showed a strong interest in music and taught himself to play many instruments, including guitar, drums, piano, and trumpet. His mother began posting videos of him performing musically on YouTube. The videos soon built up a fan following and caught the attention of talent agent Scooter Braun. Braun secured an impromptu audition with Usher, who was impressed and helped Bieber sign a record deal. In 2009, with the release of My World, he became the first artist to have 7 songs from a debut record chart on the Billboard Hot 100. In 2010, he released his first full-length studio album, My World 2.0. He also released a successful concert film, Justin Bieber Never Say Never, in 2011. In 2012, he released his 3rd studio album, Believe. In 2015, he released his 4th studio album, Purpose. He has won a Grammy Award in the American Music Award. Forbes magazine has listed him numerous times among the top 10 most powerful celebrities in the world. He has sold an estimated 140 million records, making him one of the world's best-selling music artists. 28 and accomplished, right? So what did he share on his Instagram video? Justin Bieber's new Justin's Justice World Tour was supposed to begin on the 13th of June. The world tour will see more than 125 shows in over 40 countries around the world, including India on October 18th, as part of his Justice World Tour between May 22 and March 2023. More than 1.3 million tickets for Justin's tour have reportedly been sold. On Friday this week, Justin used an Instagram video to show his fans that he would be canceling the shows for a while due to his condition, asking his fans sorry, and he will use time to recover and come back and do what he is supposed to do.
This syndrome called Ramsay-Hunt syndrome.
If you saw the video, Justin seemed to be really unwell, with one side of his face completely paralyzed and him unable to blink or smile. But that's the symptoms of the condition Justin is suffering from now. That's how Ramsay-Hunt syndrome presents itself. Ramsay-Hunt syndrome? What's that? Worry not, we're here for that. Just like and subscribe while we lay out everything there is about Ramsay-Hunt syndrome to you. Ramsay-Hunt syndrome, which begins as a painful rash around the ear, on the face, or on the mouth, it occurs when the varicella zoster virus, which remains dormant, it irritates a nerve, the facial nerve, causes facial paralysis on the site, the blister occurs. The varicella zoster virus that causes Ramsay-Hunt syndrome is the same virus that causes chickenpox and shingles. The condition mainly affects adults. In rare cases, it is seen in children. What are the symptoms of this syndrome? Keep watching. The blisters, usually around the ears, cause severe pain in the ear. Painful rash on the eardrum, ear canal, and earlobe, and may include the tongue and roof of the mouth on the site with the affected nerve. Also leads to slight hearing loss on one side. Complications of Ramsay-Hunt syndrome include changes in the appearance of the face or disfigurement from loss of movement. To prevent this, doctors may encourage you to practice facial exercise. Nerves that were irritated might grow back to the wrong structures and cause abnormal reactions to a movement. For example, smiling causes the eye to close, persistent pain or postherpetic neuralgia, and spasms of the face muscles or eyelids. The more serious complications could be that the virus may spread to other nerves or even to the brain and spinal cord. This can cause confusion, drowsiness, headaches, limb weakness, and nerve pain. If these symptoms occur, a hospital stay may be needed. A spinal tap may help determine whether other areas of the nervous system have been infected. Well, nothing to worry about. Your immunity is got to be really low for all this to happen. So what's the treatment? Is it curable? Of course it is. Everything is curable with our advancing medical science. Strong anti-inflammatory drugs called steroids such as prednisone are usually given. Antiviral medicines such as acyclovir or valacyclovir may be given. Sometimes strong painkillers are also needed if the pain continues, even with steroids. While you have weakness of the face, wear an eye patch to prevent injury to the cornea or corneal abrasion and other damage to the eye if the eye does not close completely. Some people may use a special eye lubricant at night and artificial tears during the day to prevent the eye from drying out. Depending on how much damage to the nerve, you should get better completely within a few weeks, 3 weeks to 3 months. If damage is more severe, you may not fully recover even after several months. Overall, your chances of recovery are better if the treatment is started within 3 days after the symptoms begin. When treatment is started within this time, most people make a full recovery. If treatment is delayed for more than 3 days, there is less chance of complete recovery. Children are more likely to have a complete recovery than adults. However, no words say it is incurable. So wait, the world tour is gonna happen sooner and maybe better. But we might all wonder, how did Justin get infected with VSV, or what causes Ramsay-Hunt syndrome? Well, it might follow an ear infection or a tooth procedure. We don't know how Justin got it yet, but that's what it is. It could be due to latent VSV. Everyone would have suffered from chickenpox as a kid. Chances are the virus remained dormant and caused reinfection due to low immunity or some simple procedure. What are the tests one can get? A healthcare provider will usually diagnose Ramsay-Hunt syndrome by looking for signs of weakness in the face and a blister-like rash. Tests may include some blood tests for varicella zoster virus or electromyography or EMG. While hoping for Justin's world tour to happen soon and for a speedy recovery, we end the video. Thanks for staying. If I could ask a favor, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. That's all guys, see you soon!